Today I brought you a good recipe that I know you will like. Making your own ham is very important. At least you know what you are putting inside your body. So this is another easy recipe that I brought to you. Very easy to follow and very easy to get it right. Okay? This ham, if you can do it, why do you need to rely on the store-bought? At least you're sure of what is inside and what you are eating. Okay, why don't you give it a try? And I know you will like it. Okay, so watch all the steps and watch to the end and see how we did it. So today I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. So this is 1 kg of chicken breast. I'll be slicing them into tiny pieces in order for my blender to blend it well. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glatory. Yeah, thank you so much for always coming by, and for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you for always standing along with me. I really appreciate you. Never give up on me. Thank you so much for always standing and being there for me. I really appreciate it. I mean it when I say yes, thank you. So now I have finished the slicing. I'll be blending it. So I decided to share the chicken because I don't want to overburden my blender. So I have to share it into half and blend it. So use any blender that you know that is good and strong for blending this kind of thing. So you can see it's almost done. So all done. I will scoop it into the other bowl and then get ready for the second batch. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. You have nothing to lose. Subscribe and always click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see it. And also like my video. Like it, love it, comment, and please share. Thank you. So I'm done with the blending of this chicken. So ready for my ham. So I transfer it to a bigger bowl. And now I added my mixed ingredient. This is mixed spice. They mainly contain potato starch and other ingredients like paprika and the rest. So this is your choice, but make sure you have potato starch. So I think at this time I supposed to add water on those mixture in order not to have any lump. So if you're making your own, make sure you mix the ingredient first with water before adding it to your chicken. So here I use 3 cups of water for this mixture. So you have to mash everything to well combine. So if you add water to the mixture of the spices, it will be more easier to mix together and to get it combined. So now I'm done. So I'll be using this casing for my piping. Yes, because I'm making the ham, you can see I'm using like 60 cm casing for it. So I'll be using this yarn to tie the edge. So I have to tie one edge first and get ready for my piping. So it's done. So at this time, the nozzle that I have is too small for this bath, so I decided to scoop it in. So, but if you have a bigger nozzle, it still works. You can use it. So, but if you don't have it, don't worry, you can use your hand to put them inside or do whatever that works for you. So you can see I turned to use my hand. So this, after everything, I already put it in the bag. So some of them have some air trapped inside. So I have to twist this and then tie it. Make sure you twist it tight so that it will come out so well. And then tie the other edge. You have to make sure you tie it so strong so that it will not explode. See, I'll do the same with this one. Twist it first and then tie. I have to cut off the edges. So you can see my hand is getting ready. Now I have to remove all the airs that trapped inside. So use your needle and keep poking, just a little poke, and let the air comes out. So remember, if you have watched me this far and you never subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. Why don't you subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. So I have to remove all the air that is trapped inside. So it's done, ready. So I'll be using a steam process for this. So you can see I already started steaming my water for a long time. So now I'll just put it up on the steam pot and cover it and let it steam for 20 to 30 minutes. See, it's done. So my ham is ready. So if you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least this is better than store-bought. I bet you if you try this, I don't think you will rely again buying from the store. It came out so well. So I have to do the first one and try, and it's so yummy. So I hope you will give this a try. You know, one thing is knowing what you are putting inside your body. So you can see, just as I told you to mix the spice first, you can see those white things is those potato starch. So next time, if you want to do your own, add water first to mix it before pouring it on your chicken. Yes, I'm done, and it came out so well. This is homemade ham, chicken ham. Hope you'll get to try this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.